Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how it's going to look, how you're going to graph these lines on thatquiz.org. So what you have to do, down here on the bottom, it says click 3 points to graph. So when you draw 3 points, I'm just going to do some random ones here. When you do 3 points, it's going to automatically draw the curve that goes through those. All right. Oh yeah, and hopefully you saw me. You can clear it off down there. For this one, my y-intercept is 6, so I'm going to go up to 6. All right, not on the x-axis, but on the y-axis. 6. Now my slope, it is positive because there's no negative sign out there. Now when there's no number at all, it's a 1. And 1 is the same as 1 over 1, like as a fraction. So from there, I'm going to go up 1 over 1 and click the point there. And then I got to do it again. I could go down 1, left 1. And once I draw those 3, it's going to draw the line. I'm going to look up here, make sure I get it right. Okay, great. Now, let's do this one. I'm going to purposely do it wrong here. So start off at -4 on your y-axis. And the slope is -1/2. So I'm going to go down 1 and then over 2. Notice it's a negative slope. Always pay attention to that. Make sure you got your slope in the right direction. Down 1, over 2 is right there. But let's say I made a mistake. I went over 3. Notice whenever I kind of plot it off a little bit, these 3 points don't make a straight line. They make a curved line. This is something that's algebra 2. Parabola is what they call those. But it's a graph of a quadratic. Now, because we made a mistake, I could clear it, but that would clear all 3 of them. What you can do is click that one, just click it again, and then move it back over like that. All right. So whenever it's blue, you can actually click any of those points and move them around. All right. Okay. See, I already know how to do that one. Let's try. I'm just going to do some random ones here, get it wrong. Oh, I got it wrong. Let's do another one here. That one's up 1 over 4. All right. One thing I want to mention real quick is something that's on all your quizzes and tests. You need to be able to recognize what the y-intercept is and what the slope is. So here the y-intercept is just this -1 and the slope is that 4. You probably already knew that, but I wanted to make sure. So I start off at -1 and then my slope is 4, so that's 4 over 1. So I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over 1. There we go. Okay, and then I got to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Draws the line for me. Still trying to get to one of those weird ones. All right, finally found the one that I was looking for. I just edited out all that other stuff. So here, the slope is -2 because that's the number attached to the x. The y-intercept is nothing. So what you're going to do to graph this one is start on 0 for your y-intercept and then use the normal slope. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Okay, just wanted to make sure you had that. You should be good for this. Let me see. Yep, you are good. See ya.